My name is R. Siddharadaya. I am from Tadi EC department. Today I am going to explain about the solar tree. Introduction to the solar tree. Nowadays, with the growing population and energy, there is a great demand. We should take the renewable option of energy source, and also we should keep in mind that energy should not cause pollution and other natural hazards. In this case, solar energy is one of the best options for us. India is highly populated country, so we should take advantage of such energies which require a very less space to produce energy sufficiently and efficiently. In this case, solar tree could be the best one for us. We can also use the technique called spiraling file taxi to improve the efficiency of the plant. What is a solar tree? A solar tree is a decorative means of producing solar energy and also electricity. It uses multiple number of solar panels which forms the shape of the tree. The panels arranged in the tree fashion in tall tower. The tree generating renewable energy and electricity. This is like a tree in structure and the panels are like leaves in the tree which produces energy. Now we will see the components of the solar tree. The solar tree mainly consists of five parts in the design. First one is solar panels. Second is long tower. Next is LEDs, batteries, stems for connecting the panels. Now what is spiraling filar taxi? It is a technique used in designing of solar tree. It produces the way to help lower panels for the shadow of upper ones so that it can track maximum power from the sun. This technology is used to improve the efficiency of the plant. Why we call it as a solar tree? The tree can produce their own food material by processing called photosynthesis. Leaves are producing food materials for human beings. Likewise, in solar tree, solar plates are producing energy for the society. How solar panel works? Photovoltaic cell converts sunlight into electric energy, and this effect is known as photovoltaic effect. Solar cells efficiently create electricity by converting photons of light into electrons. Solar cell producing direct current. This direct current is converted to alternating current by using an inverter. See, this is the model of solar solar panel. And now what is the need of solar tree? Due to less land requirement, it requires less land as compared to traditional PV system. So we require such a plant which can generate maximum energy as much as we needed in minimum land. Next, efficient energy generation. It can generate energy very efficiently as compared to the traditional system. It can collect energy from the wind. The stem are flexible so that they can rotate in any direction by shaking themselves. They produce energy as from wind as in the case of natural tree. Advantages of the solar panel. Ecologically friendly, decreases the electric bill. There will be low maintenance and efficiency. What is better than traditional system? Why it is better than traditional system? For traditional system, we require large size of land. For example, to generate megawatt power from PV module, we require 10 to 12 acres of land for housing for panels only. For the same amount of energy, we require 0.10 to 0.12 acres of land in case of solar tree. The applications we use the solar tree are street lights, house supply, industry power supply. Solar tree in India. India being a developing country and highly populated requires a power plant where maximum energy can be generated by using minimum land. We we must try to produce energy from the sun by using solar tree in our country to increase our per capita land and fulfill the growing energy demand. Next, the advantages of the solar tree. There will be no air pollution. We would have not to worry as much about the future energy resources. People in poor country would have access to the electricity. People can save money. Their land requirement is very less. Disadvantages. The cost is as usually high, may cause hazards to birds and insects, hazards to the eyesight for solar reflectors. Conclusion. To fulfill the increasing energy need demand the people saving of land, this project is very successful one. This can provide electricity without any power cut problem. The extra energy can be provided to the grid. Thank you.